Hey guys, what's going on? So this is going to be part 2 of the rehab renovations series kind of thing I'm starting. So I didn't really give you guys much explanation. I kind of just threw the first video at you and said, here, look at it and watch it. So I'm sure no one's really gonna watch it, but I'm buying this duplex. This is a second duplex that I'll be getting, and this is one of the units. This is the back unit that I will be renovating before I move out to the front one to renovate that one. So I've got 25 boxes of flooring. I did my square footage. It should roughly do this whole area. So we'll see. I have to paint out here still. I have painted this room. I have to do 2 coats, unfortunately, but this room's done. This is 2 coats. So I have to tear this out still, this green shit. And then I have to tear out that red shit you saw in this room here. And then I can start flooring. But I want to finish the painting. Obviously, you guys know how process of elimination works, right? And I mean, I gotta do some minor sheetrock repairs here and there. I mean, there's a few little spots, you know. Not all of the stuff is fun, you know, like they say. So I'm in the basement right now. I had to fix this trunk line. This whole trunk line was not attached. This goes to the bathroom. But yeah, that was literally just sitting on the floor down here. So, yep, I fixed up some of the HVAC while I was down here quick. We'll get back upstairs and get back to working on cleaning up there. Hopefully we can get this flooring in today. We'll see. I have 25 boxes, so we'll find out. So what we're kind of looking at. The carpet that you saw. This was all that. That's this red foam shit that was underneath the carpet, or once was carpet. Kind of shreds like cheese here, peeled up decent here. So this is what I got left of that. Then I'll make sure this floor is nice and smooth and flat, and it'll be flooring time. But yeah, finally found the bottom. I'm gonna give it a good sweep. And yeah, so I will probably catch you guys after all this is out and it's clean, and I'll probably start laying some flooring, and then I'll get back with you, show you how that looks going down. Merry Christmas. It's Christmas, so I don't know. I'll catch you in a sec. Alright guys, so this is pretty much what I got done. It's probably about half the room, I'd say. Ish, maybe, almost. A little short of that, but I didn't get into pulling that carpet or any of that other bullshit yet tonight, but for today, this is where I'm at. Probably hoping to tomorrow be done with flooring this room so I can move my stuff in it. And then I'll pull that nasty shit out of that other room. Chris has been helping me do all the flooring, haven't you? Haven't you, Chris? Mr. Chris. He's having mixed feelings, I think, about being here. At first, he was, like, scared and just hung out upstairs. But, like, now he's kind of, like, just adventuring everywhere. Literally everywhere. I gotta watch him. He's trying to go outside, but, like, he's gonna die if he goes outside. What are you doing? He's weird. But anyways, this is, like, 2 boxes I've put down. I think it's my 3rd, if I remember correctly. So I'm almost through my 3rd box. Almost 3. Well, yeah. It's looking alright, I suppose. Decided to get a little random with my seaming and go back and then forth instead of just like, you know? But yeah, so I'll show you guys what it looks like when I get a little more of this flooring laid down. Yo, boys. Day freaking... I don't know, but I figured I'd show you a little update on what we got accomplished in here. So, yeah, you like this new little thing I got here? I know, it's pretty fucking awesome if you ask me. But anyways, Chris, I told you to stay the fuck out of this room. But yeah, this is after the carpet was up, swept it, and this is what was left. And that foam and shit. See, look at him, already getting into trouble. You don't listen. But yeah, so that's this room. Now, Chris, come on, get the fuck out of here. I'm shutting this door. Chris, come on. It smells like shit in here, dude. We're shutting this door. Get the fuck out of here. Come on. All right. Anyways, gotta gotta be so difficult, Chris. Don't you? Stand right in the way, why don't you? This is coming along quite nicely. This is what we got. I'm gonna keep going at it and get back with you guys here in a sec. Show you what it looks like. I'm hoping to finish this room up tonight. I am also painting floor vents right now. I think I did this one already. The only one I've done is the one in this room, so you can see. Came out all right. Not bad for rattle cannon on the freaking stairs. I did it on my house too, and my house it turned out decent, so we're gonna try it here too and see. I think it'll be fine. Just cleans them up a little bit. I mean, look, you know. But yeah, and then I don't know if I told you guys, but I sealed this up with some foam and cut it to be level so I can transition through here smoothly. Same with through here. I mean, you see it clean this all up nice. So yeah, back to this. I'm on, I think, box 4 now. I think I've got like 20 left or so. I don't know. Stack's wearing down. But yeah, let's get back to it. Chris is gonna help me. You already know. He gets shit done. He's this supervisor. Alright, anyway. I forgot to mention I got these door stoppers. I don't know if I told you guys about that, but I have to put those on too. I put one on here. I'm gonna throw one on over there, but this is gonna end the video. I'm not really doing anything else in that other room. And this is about where I'm leaving off in this room for today. Not a bad little section I got done. I definitely could finish it, but I'm gonna go to the gym and do some other shit quick here tonight before it gets too late. And I gotta work tomorrow, so, you know, this is all I really got time for. Could have been better, could have been worse. Kind of just freeballed with my seams and just made sure they didn't line up, you know, kind of staggered it that way and then brought it back and forth. I think I already talked about this, but fuck you if you got a problem with it. I don't really care. Okay? Alright. Well, peace out. I'll catch you guys in the part 3. This is going to end the part 2 of this series on the rehab renovations. And, yeah. Stay tuned for part 4, 5,600,000 and more to come. But, yeah, that's going to this video, guys. Peace.